we know that you are going to need to be able to take notes during this time when you're home, or also be able to turn in homework assignments during this time when you're home. And one of the ways that we think that would be the easiest for you to do that would be to annotate a PDF. So I'm going to go through the very basic steps it takes to get to the ability to annotate a PDF for you right now. So the first thing that you would do is you would go to Google Classroom and you would click on the PDF in question. And so in this case, it happens to be Worksheet 1, Determining Intermolecular Forces. So I would click on it and it gives me this file right here. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a little print icon, and that little print icon is what I'm going to click on next. So that little print icon gives me the ability to start to annotate. And then in the upper right-hand corner again, you're going to see this little pencil, and you click on the pencil and it changes the document to something that you can actually write on using the stylus that came with your Chromebook. You have some options. You have the ability to change the colors. You have the ability to change pen size. And if you pinch zoom, you can make it bigger or smaller as necessary. There's also the increase or decrease buttons over on the right-hand corner of the lower right-hand corner of your document. But at this point, if I was to draw, say, I don't know, the Lewis structure for bromine, Br2, I would know that bromine is 2 bromine molecules stuck together, and they each have 7 valence electrons. And so it would look something like that. So say that that's where I'm done for my homework assignment. What I need to do is then click on this little down arrow in the upper right-hand corner. So you see the print icon and the little down arrow. That's your download arrow. It then brings you where do you want to save your files. And it's going to save the files on the Chromebook and not in Google Drive. And it's going to save it in downloads. At this point, you could change the name of the document to be something like your last name, which we recommend, underscore first name, and then underscore worksheet 1 in this case. And then at this point, we could go ahead and click save. And so now our document is saved, but it's saved on the files in your Chromebook. The document that has been attached that you got to this video will talk you through, or walk you through rather, how to upload that particular document from the downloaded files to Google Classroom, so you should be able to submit at that point. If you have further questions about that, please contact your teachers, and we will get back to you with how to fix that if you're struggling there. If you have otherwise, this is how you annotate a document, and it's going to be a very helpful skill for the time that we are off.